Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming a browser and stable internet. This saves repeated retries. Next, choose a memorable username and a strong password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols because security prevents lockouts. Once ready, navigate to Gmail. Calm and click Create Account, selecting for myself or business so Google applies the right setup flow. You'll be prompted for name, username, and password immediately. Fill those fields now. Then proceed to the account verification step. Once you've entered basic info, Google usually asks for phone verification to secure the account. Request the 6-digit code and enter it promptly to continue. After verification, add a recovery email and your birth date. These help restore access and tailor features. Then configure visibility and personalization options so your account behaves as you expect. Next, read and accept Google's terms. Once accepted, set basic inbox preferences like conversation view and theme. To finish, add a profile photo and create a signature to appear professional in emails. Customize your theme for readability. Then send a test email to another account and reply to confirm sending and receiving works. Enable two-step verification to add a security layer. If you encounter issues signing in or creating the account, use the password reset flow or verify the recovery phone and email. These resolve most problems quickly. If verification codes fail, wait a few minutes and request a new code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.